Trusted by over 1,200 Auckland locals, Auckland's finest homes deserve the highest level of care. Even the most delicate fabrics face heavy wear and deep staining. Our precision extraction technology restores fibers at a deep structural level. The undeniable proof of a truly deep clean. Pristine, restored, and redefined. Experience the gold standard in luxury fabric care, Auckland's best, where quality meets perfection. Book your restoration today.